Well, I'm sitting here with Bronson Garrett. Of course, you know why we're here. The allegations of abusive language, the emotional distress.
Saying that what I said was out of line. They're trying to assassinate my character here, Corey.
Take it this far. You can't hide behind being a big shot musician. We've never even heard you play.
Hide behind something. See, a spaceman was here. He could probably tell you. Perfection takes a long time, Corky. Art takes a craft. Like when he was going through NASA school, he just asked Ricky Morton. He put out Boogie Woogie Dance Hall in like 2 days, and look what happened with that thing. It went concrete. It didn't go nowhere.
Why the abuse directed at these certain audience members? I mean, I have to ask the question, why is it so personal? I mean, did you ever have...
I didn't have anything with anybody. I love women. I love young women. It's going to be a #1 hit with a bullet, Corky. I'm the only music man on this roster, Corky. And I see what them people were doing on the School of Morton Facebook page. What are you trying to do, Corky? What are you trying to do? You're trying to kill me?
Welcome to another special edition of SOM Live. Corky McCorkle here, taking another look back at the highlights of 2019. But first, we want to thank everyone who joined us this past Saturday at the Johnson City Community Theater. For those who weren't able to join us, we've got a new SOM heavyweight champion, the Sultan, now wearing the big belt. And of course, Pork Chop Johnson, the winner of that big bunkhouse stampede battle royal. And the team of the Dooleys, Logan Henderson and Mook, walking away with a big victory in that War Games matchup. And, well, as we close out 2019, we sure hope you'll be able to join us tomorrow night to kick things off for 2020, as we'll be here live at SOM Studios for Winter Warfare. That's going down 5 p.m. here tomorrow night at the SOM Studios. But as we continue to take a look back at 2019, folks, we got a lot of highlights for you from the Greene County Fair and the rivalry between Sick Rick Matrix and Mook, the man formerly known as BTSG. We're going to be taking a look at that big Chucky street fight that happened between the Dooley cousins and the White Claw Outlaws, and a whole lot more on the show. So stick with us, folks. We got a big program for you as we look back at 2019.
It went down between Matt and Ludwig. And here he is, Sick Rick Matrix.
Yeah, the psycho Sick Rick.
Psycho Sick Rick. Yes, he is.
You said that must have been Judas and Bronson Garrett to make that call, to make this thing falls down anywhere.
Sounds like a great idea to me.
There he is, the champ.
The BTSG is just business.
Look at the focus in BTSG's eyes. We said he's faced this guy before, and he knows exactly what he's in for.
And there's some hesitation on Sick Rick's part too.
There, now it's on.
Because he knows that he's felt the wrath of the BTSG. He's 0 for 2 now.
Well, those are some numbing kicks to the leg there. I mean, all it takes is one of those and you lose feeling in your whole leg. Rick is trying to shake that off now. That was the speed coming to the advantage of BTSG right
Oh, man, he's one of the quickest guys who I've seen.
The first matchup they had in Georgia. I think Sick Rick thought he was just going to walk in there, waltz in, and just take that title right from the BTSG.
Well, wait till he gets his hands on it, okay? The speed is a factor, but it wears thin, especially when BTSG gets a little winded. He may not be as quick.
Well, after that matchup, once Sick Rick found what BTSG was capable of in the ring, there was a handshake afterwards. There was a little respect earned between the two. But after their match in Mount Carmel, after the Cinder Blast, there was no handshake.
No handshake.
There was no respect. And we saw Sick Rick come out, disrespect BTSG right at the opening of this program. BTSG working away with that headlock after the drop toe hold.
But now the quarters have closed. Now they're in close quarters. You see Sick Rick's hands are on him. This may not be where BTSG wants
over
this
the
to end up.
BTSG for a 2 count.
BTSG doing a little bit of mat wrestling with the big guy. I don't know how smart this is. I would want to stay away from it.
Not at all.
BTSG. I use my quickness and dart in and out.
That's what I would say. This is not the environment that BTSG
oh man, they're
wants
up
to be
to
in.
Sick Rick down on one knee there, finally up to his feet. Shoots off BTSG. And a huge, BTSG just
about got turned inside out.
Yeah, I mean that was like running into a brick wall right there.
Willie Manus making a decision to step in between these two. That's a bold move.
Better him than me.
Yes, I wouldn't
100%.
be in there. It's a no holds barred match. The ref is only there to count.
Yeah.
So it's just a
practically
matter of
stooge.
time
What's new?
before this thing spills out. They might be fighting on top of the Ferris wheel by the middle of this match.
Yeah.
I would not be surprised. I mean, this is literally just heating up. That iron grip of Sick Rick. Oh,
Knife edge
what a
chop.
chop.
BTSG off the runs into that big back
Big
elbow.
elbow right to the solar plexus. Knocked the wind completely out of him.
Oh my God!
Wow.
How do you breathe after that?
That impact.
How do you breathe after that?
He can't breathe.
He can't
I mean,
breathe.
He just looked like he just crushed his sternum in with
That
that,
impact
elbow.
was-
Wow.
They
That
better
impact
have
was tremendous.
the fire engine, the ambulance fired up. Oh my
Oh,
God!
we've seen that, but we haven't seen it in a long time, that falling shoulder tackle.
And BTSG almost went out of the ring. He almost knocked him all the way out
What
of
is
the ring
Sick
there.
Rick doing? He's taunting
He's
Mook
taunting.
right now.
He's taunting. Oh, a rolling little chop.
Oh man, this is just when you see the gears start moving in this man's mind.
Oh yeah,
Slamming
nothing but
BTSG's
destruction is
head
coming
into
after
that
this.
turnbuckle.
Oh my God.
You leave an opening, he's going to take it. That's the thing. That's the crazy, jacked up thing about it.
Putting the boots to move.
BTSG. Oh! Excuse me, Sick Rick whips at BTSG into the opposite corner there. With a lot of force on that impact. BTSG is feeling it all over his body now.
The Sick Rick is
Took
just
those
stalking
buckles into
him.
the spine and
Sick Rick is the kind of guy that doesn't want to end the match as soon as he can. He wants to.
up and brings him
Big
down with the
back
belly
drop.
to back suplex. And a kick
Man.
out. Well, it's been proven before it's going to take a lot more than that to put away either one of these guys.
BTSG is looking like he's trying to get his wits about him.
Well, he looks like he's
But I know
reconstructing his life.
But I know he's seeing Tweety Birds right now. Oh,
Oh no! Oh!
right to the back of the head.
All right, spinning back kick from BTSG. BTSG off the ring. Oh! Head scissor.
Looked like a hurricane
And
rider.
that one almost took Sick Rick out of the ring.
Shotgun drop kick. Knocking the starch out the big man.
Yes, he did. I mean, they have both already done some serious damage, and we're not even. This is not even close to over. Oh! The iron will of both men.
And now we've got one of the men outside the ring. Sick Rick is out there. Well, no count
No
from
count
the
out.
referee. No count
No
out.
disqualification.
No disqualification.
Falls count anywhere.
Falls anywhere. BTSG now. Let's see. Oh! Punch to the outside. It looks like they took out a table.
Yeah, they took out
the
a table.
outside of the ring.
And these fans are going crazy for the action right now.
BTSG
Things are about
is
to
up.
get intense here.
And Sick Rick is up. Sick Rick
Oh,
fighting
they're
back
going
now.
to attack. Oh, my God! Holy smokes.
Sick Rick getting his head slammed face
Right
first
into that table.
into that
Oh, it's
table.
gonna turn into a fight now.
Well, we knew it would.
If it wasn't
These
already,
guys-
it's a fight now. Oh, my God.
Sick Rick.
No, he's not.
He's got him.
Oh!
And slams him.
God.
Slams him
And
on
the
that table.
BTSG had dented the table in, by the way. Sick Rick now. He's got that folding table set up. He's got the legs down. What's he doing with it? Uh-oh. I think he's just gonna drop it on the BTSG. Is he gonna whack him with that table? What is he gonna do?
Oh, my God.
Dropped it right on his head.
Right on his head. I knew that this thing was gonna get violent. I don't know if there's children in here. I don't know if they need to be seeing this.
Sick Rick
Oh,
Matrix,
nice.
he's got one of those chairs now. Sick Rick.
Hard
Oh,
chair shot from Sick Rick.
Right across the back
This
of
is
the
almost-
BTSG.
This is almost unfair. This big guy with a weapon. But this is the match they made.
It's a match that Mook agreed to. Anything goes, falls count anywhere. And BTSG is on the ground there, rolling around in the dirt. And looks like Sick Rick is ready to launch himself off that chair. And he did it! Oh! He got him good with that one.
That was incredibly crazy.
All right, now
Yes, it was, and this
Sick
keeps
Rick
getting wilder.
is a psycho. He's off the deep end
I
here.
don't know.
He's a maniac and he's crazed and obsessed with winning now, taking the SOM championship from BTSG. Sick Rick with a shot across the back, and BTSG fires back with that chop in the chest. Uh-oh, there's those educated feet and martial arts kicks of the BTSG. You gotta watch out for those legs. If you step into the squared circle
Yes.
or outside it for that matter.
Taekwondo black belt.
Stand-up guy. Yep. Keto.
He's the
Korean
hardest.
martial arts.
He's fighting so hard right now. He wants to keep that championship, and he knows the Sick Rick.
BTSG. He is up and over the railing. BTSG in the bleachers with the fans here. And Sick Rick
Kind of
follows
fighting
him
right in the stands.
and blows. And these fans are loving it. Well, it looked like Sick Rick getting the better of that exchange.
Yes, he is. Anytime
The
that
BTSG is down on the bleachers now.
BTSG is up against it right now, man. I don't really know
Sick Rick stomping away.
how tough he's going to be able to continue being. This is the third time that he's going through this trauma, this craziness with Rick Matrix. When is enough going to be enough for this sick man? I guess until he take the title. But I don't think he's going to do it today because I believe
I think this is gone, but beyond a title, this psycho Sick Rick has got an obsession now with the BTSG. He needs a victory. Wow! And down goes the railing. Okay, Sick Rick a hard kick right to his head. And wow. That might have caused some brain damage. A shot like that, right to the head.
I think that BTSG is busted open right in his eye, right on his eye.
Looks like he is.
He's got a cut right on his eye.
Stomping away. And
oh, the strap's coming down.
the straps are coming down. You know he means business now. And he's all business. The BTSG. Well, he taught Sick Rick to respect the bow tie in their first encounter. And Sick Rick is a bloody
He's
mess.
a bloody mess. Both men are bleeding right now.
I'm not sure if BTSG was bleeding or that was some of Sick Rick's blood that got onto him. Either way, it's a bloodbath.
Yeah, BTSG is busted open over his eye.
Bleeding from his right eye, the BTSG is.
One of those blows from Sick Rick definitely opened him up.
BTSG.
These guys are a
Sick
mess.
Rick
They're
back
bloody.
in the ring.
They're muddy. I don't think that these guys are bargaining. I don't think these fans are bargaining for this type of action at the Greene County Fair tonight.
Sick Rick wearing that proverbial crimson mask. His face is oozing crimson red. And the fans are on their feet here at the Greene County Fair. BTSG on the ring apron. Shoulder thrust. And Sick Rick blocks it. Again, BTSG. Oh! And Sink shots him into a cutter. Wow, that could be it right here.
That was a tremendous move. Man, that is one big agile guy.
Sick
I mean,
Rick,
he's a nutcase, but I love him. This is one of the most beautiful things I've ever seen.
This match is... If these guys don't get nominated for Feud of the Year, I don't know what's wrong with the professional wrestling world.
I didn't know if they could top what I saw him doing. Oh, there it is. BTSG found a stick of blue to reach down and jump up. Well, wait a minute. Why didn't he go for the cover? He hit his move. He hit the you're fired.
I think this is a mistake.
Yeah, especially if he goes off that top rope, you know. We could see G. Frederick Vanderford. Or could he issue a fine? I mean, it's no holds barred. I mean, even then.
Oh my God. What is it? It's going to be high risk. This is going to be high risk.
All right, BTSG.
What's he doing? Big frog splash. 5 stars.
And with a mid-air twist. And this is it. BTSG retains it with a match. No.
Kicks out of the
He
frog
kicked
splash.
out.
What is it going to take?
I can't believe it.
What else are we gonna see?
Well, the toll on these two men is beginning to show. I think BTSG had a second win there for a second. He had a rush of adrenaline. He was moving quickly, and now both men slow to their feet.
This moment.
BTSG off the rope. Oh no! Sick Rick caught him up
and dumped him like a sack of potatoes.
The people are latched onto their seats.
Both of these guys.
I thought he was going to hook his leg and cover the guy, but
both of these guys are going to need to go get X-rays after this.
Yeah. Yes, this will require stitches at the least. Sick Rick, where's he going? Sick Rick's back on the apron.
What's he
Wait,
thinking?
is this 300-pounder gonna fly?
There's no way.
What is he doing?
Oh my God, here he is. He's going to the top turnbuckle.
Rick. Yes.
Are you kidding me?
All the way up top.
Are you kidding me?
Sick Rick Off the.
Oh my God!
With the flying
leg drop.
that guillotine leg drop. And I think he might have caught. I think he might have landed with
that
the
boot.
like his boot landed on PTSG's face. Oh my goodness! Oh, we almost had a new
If G.
champ
Frederick
there.
Vanderford is watching this match, he is having a seizure.
He
right
will
now.
make an exception for this, I guarantee it. He will make an exception.
I think I see some fines coming down the pipe.
I know these guys, what they have put their body through doesn't feel good, but they are making these fans go bananas here. They're biting their nails. I'm looking around, they're on their feet. They're jumping up and down. They are loving every minute of it. Whoa! Huge
Matrix driver!
Pile driver! Have we got a new champion? I can't believe
Can't
it.
believe it.
So the almost year-long reign of the BTSG comes to an end with that. What a match! What a performance! Sick Rick has won the big bout here at SOM. To
It's the
a
end of
chorus
an
of
era.
boos from the crowd.
It's the end of an era. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. BTSG has been one of the proudest champions that I've ever seen.
Are you sad to see his reign end?
I'm very
You guys
sad to see his
upset?
reign in.
It's a
I don't like
sad
it at
day,
all.
like you said. The end of an era, but it's the beginning of a new one.
The sick Rick Matrix era.
BTSG down but not out. He'll be back. He'll have his rematch. And I don't think anybody that can make it is going to want to miss what these two do when they get in the ring against one another. It's magic. And what's he doing? Sick Rick got his hand over.
You've seen him do that several times.
This is an era that was started with a blood
Sick
feud.
Rick won the belt.
What this is.
Look at him. He's looking up to the heavens. Did he say daddy again?
I think he did.
It's almost said BTSG, the SOM. It's going to take some getting used to, like you said.
Yeah, this is
He
very
held that
strange.
championship for close to a full year. So it's Sick Rick Matrix, the SOM heavyweight champion.
Loser. Corky jumped back scared.
This big
The
man
new champion, baby.
got a new champion.
The new champion.
The new SOM champion is Sick Rick Matrix. To all the folks out there, we've had several title changes tonight.
This makes
We
up
have
for
a new
everything.
tag team champions, which are the Dooley cousins. We have a new East Tennessee champion, which is RT3. And we have a new SOM heavyweight champion, which is Sick Rick Matrix.
Well, these
Oh,
fans
man, I'm sitting here with
enjoyed
a
every
smile all
minute
over
of
my
that
face.
wrestling match until the outcome was decided.
I mean, there's blood all over the announce table. Let's be real. We just witnessed a bloodbath. We just witnessed
a
a war.
bloodbath.
Kind of action that won SOM Live Pro Wrestling Illustrated Association's award for the best up-and-coming independent wrestling promotion. Folks, 2019 took SOM all over the country, 5 different states: Florida, Georgia, Tennessee, North Carolina, and Virginia. Folks, SOM is all over the place. And right now, you know, we spoke last week about some of the guests that have come in. The Barbarian was here, and another up-and-comer that came out of nowhere and made a big splash at SOM Uprising, Anthony Katina, Let's take a look at his matchup right now.
Cross-face chicken wing. Cross-face chicken wing.
Can he get to the ropes?
This is a
get to the
bad
ropes?
position.
Come on.
Oh, low blow by Crash O'Conley. Breaks the cross-face chicken wing.
And the winner of the match, Crash O'Conley.
What a disappointment. What a disappointment.
There was a happy ending, Spaceman, in the midst of what was about to be a tragedy. You shut
Low
up.
blow.
No, he did not.
Followed by. It was a low blow. Followed by feet on the rope.
No way.
Who is this? This is it. Tool product. And he has also been seen on Reality of Wrestling. This guy's the real deal, and he's gonna put Crash O'Conley right in his place.
After much anticipation, the 6 Tool product, Anthony Katina, is here in Chucky, Tennessee, baby!
They got a real history, these two. Crash looks like he's seen a ghost.
Crash O'Conley. You know what's crazy? Is I knew you the very first day you walked into a professional wrestling school. You were just a bright-eyed, 15-year-old kid aspiring to learn this business.
I wonder what he's
aspiring,
here for.
hopefully, to one day be the face of this business. And now, and I think I could speak for everyone here, now you've just become a jerk and a bully.
Hey, wait a minute.
Whoa.
No.
Strong words from Crash O'Conley. There's a few people in the crowd that could agree with that sentiment, Chad.
That was ridiculous.
Plenty of people have tried to come here and shut you up, but now I'm here to shut you down. These people came out here, paid their hard-earned money to see you get your ass kicked, but they screwed them out of that.
Strong words from Anthony
When you
Katina.
cheated your way,
This guy.
followed your way to a cheap victory. So you know what? Here's what I propose. If you're really that bad, you'll have no problem going toe to toe with the whole damn show right here, right now.
Wow. Big challenge from Anthony Katina to Crash O'Conley.
Don't take the challenge, Crash.
You bet your damn ass. I'm gonna beat you up, and I'm gonna prove to you that this joke and these jokes out here are beneath me, just like you, pal. You may want to take that back, but I'm sorry, you can't now. So if I win, here's a little caveat. Here's the fun part for everyone. If I win, this man right here that you screwed out of a victory, the man you low-blowed, Rabar the Rooster, he gets a rematch against you, and a loser wears a chicken costume match.
No!
Ooh.
No!
I like those odds.
Don't, no!
I like those odds.
No!
I like those odds.
No!
Oh, he ready to go right now.
Who made that stipulation? He didn't agree to that stipulation.
Are you ready, Anthony? You ready? Pick the ball, let's go.
What is this? He's already worn down. He's already went to war with the Rebar Rooster, and now he's got to go against this guy?
Hey, man. He accepted the challenge.
He didn't accept all those stipulations of wearing the chicken suit that went. Come on, man.
This guy right here, man, has been in the gym. Whoa! I don't know a whole lot about Anthony Katina, but I know he looks like $1 million, and he whooping the tar and stuffing out of Crash O'Conley right now.
This is so disrespectful. What did Crash O'Conley do to deserve this? Oh my God, they're going to the outside. Oh!
Now they're letting the crowd punch him. Now they're letting the crowd slap him.
They can't do this! They can't do this! No!
No!
I can't.
She's been waiting to do that probably for a year. Anthony Katina gets Crash O'Conley right back into the ring. This young man has traveled a long way to be here with us today and to come and beat
Crash
the stuffing
O'Conley has done
out of Crash
absolutely
O'Conley.
nothing to deserve this. And I can't believe you, for one, are behind this, Spaceman. This is ridiculous.
Well, Crash has been a real... Oh, roll up!
Come on!
Oh, big clothesline. Man, knocked him inside
That's
out.
what I'm talking about,
Holy
baby!
smokes. What a shot from Crash O'Conley.
Pin him,
To
Crash!
Anthony Katina.
Pin him! Count to 3, Willie, you idiot!
This is hot and heavy action, Chad. These folks here today are getting their money worth for this show. Oh! Big knife edge chop right in the chest.
He's about to get blistered if he keeps messing around with Crash O'Conley. Come on, man.
Wow. 3 hard shots sends Crash right to the canvas.
Oh!
Reverse elbow. Knocks Anthony Katina down. These guys are going back and forth. This Crash O'Conley is showing me a lot. This is his second match back-to-back, and he's still in there.
He's
giving
still
it
on
a
fire,
heck of a
Space
fight.
Man. And this is the man you're rallied against.
This guy is showing me a lot today, but his attitude leaves a lot to desire.
Oh, come on. Whoa!
Oh! Big suplex.
Come on.
Big suplex.
Oh, no. Come on now.
Rebar Rooster giving Anthony Katina some much needed inspiration.
Bullcrap's what it is, Spaceman, and you know it just as well as I do. This has been ridiculous. They ganged up on this young man. He didn't do anything to deserve any of this.
Crash O'Conley fighting back.
He is a fighter. He is a winner. Oh, no!
He went for it, but it didn't work.
He went for it. It didn't work out. Oh! He's doing everything he can, Spaceman. This is second match. Right back to back. No!
Oh, DDT. What a DDT.
Come on, Crash. No!
And that's it.
And the winner of the match, granting Rebar Rooster a rematch with Crash O'Conley, Anthony Katina.
Crash
I hope
O'Conley.
they're proud of themselves. Don't give him the microphone.
Crash
Don't
O'Conley.
give him the microphone. You ganged up
Fought
on
hard.
that young man right there. Both of you did.
Brothers are getting here.
Do
And
your
the
job,
winner
Billy.
tonight and soon to be winner of the match against this guy, Ribar Rooster! Hey, listen up, soy boy. You agreed to it, Turkey Neck. So when I beat you November 17th, come that Sunday, you're going to be wrestling in a chicken suit. You're going to have to wear a chicken suit because you're the real coward here at SOM Uprising.
That's right.
All right, boys. Here's all you need. Here's all you need for success. You ready?
I'm ready.
100 calories.
100.
0 total fat.
None.
20 milligrams, so 1%.
That's right. 1%, just one.
Total sugar, 2 grams.
2 grams, baby.
I'm jacked up off adrenaline. I don't need sugar, baby.
It includes 2 grams of extra sugar, 4%.
Oh my God.
And 0 protein, boys.
What did you just say?
0 protein.
How much protein was in it?
0. I think it's time, boys. What do you think?
It's game time.
We're sitting here talking percentages, Judas. Let me tell the fans out there in TV land the percentage the Dooleys have walking out with these belts. 0.
0.
How many teeth are sitting in the audience right now, Chad?
0.
How much intelligence does the crowd have that's sitting in the audience right now?
The same amount as gluten that's in White Claw? None.
You see, Dooleys, you have let your mouse write a check that your behinds can't cash. You played with the bull and you got the horns.
You like it? I like
it.
I
referenced it right there. You see, we quit school cause of recess, Doolies. We don't play games, baby. And tonight, we're walking out still your tag team champions.
That's
the
right.
East Tennessee, their tag
Be
team
grateful,
champions.
you toothless idiots. The White Claw Outlaws will defend these titles right here at Fright Night. Now, we're talking about a street fight. We got our diet on lock right here, gluten-free as you can see, White Claw all the way, and we ain't got no time for losers. Why is that? We are the champions.
And I know you're probably asking yourselves, selves? Why are they in tuxedos and dress apparel? Well, I'm going to tell you exactly why. This is how serious we take the Dooleys Challenge. We're going to come dressed to the nines because you're looking at 4 10s right here, and we're going to beat the Dooleys like a grass fire here in Chucky, baby.
Here, cheers.
SOM East Tennessee Tag Team Champions. The loaded gun, Chad Bartlett. Shotgun, Bronson Garrett.
I don't know how they
the
expect
White
to get a fair
Claw Outlaws.
The Dooleys are walking into a trap.
From Chucky, Tennessee.
Silas and Ricky Dooley, the Dooley cousins.
Here we go. Well, they spruced up their outfit a little bit. I see some ties on the Dooleys. Nice touch, fellas.
From Chucky, Tennessee, Ricky Dooley and Silas Dooley, the Dooley Cousins! All right, now, wait a minute. Chucky, street fight, and
Big clothesline from Ricky Dooley to Chad Bartlett.
Ricky Dooley just stomps Chad Bartlett
Right out of the
ring.
Guys
And
look like they're about to get their hands a 2-on-1 with Bronson Garrett
left
right
hand
now.
from Ricky Dooley, and now whips Bronson Garrett into the corner. And now Ricky whips his own cousin Silas in with a big flying splash in the corner on Bronson Garrett.
And now
We see
it's Silas.
Ricky
who just
Dooley
got
with the chain.
That's the same chain that they used to win those East Tennessee tag belts from the Dooleys.
Oh.
And now Ricky Dooley winds it
and
up.
I see that Bronson Garrett is busted wide open right
he
now.
just clobbered him, is he?
Oh!
Whoa, what did he just?
He just hit him with that sign.
And now Silas has Chad Bartlett set
away.
And
Bronson
now
Garrett is just
he's got a face full of those clothespins. They're on his nose. They're all over him. He's got a face full of clothespins. He looks like a pinhead from
Yes, he
from
does.
Hellraiser.
Oh, now
That's
Chad
all that.
Bartlett is busted wide open. The Dooleys came for blood
Boom,
and
he's
they
gonna
got it.
he's
Looks
gonna
like
sweep
gonna
up the
sweep
trash out of the
trash.
ring here.
Chad Bartlett is pouring blood.
And as the White Claw Outlaws are bleeding all over the place, Silas Dooley has split his britches in there, and he just broke the broom handle right over Bronson Garrett's back. This match has been all the Dooley cousins, and well, that's an expensive tuxedo.
That is, and
This
he's
Bronson
just tore
Garrett's
all
gonna
the
have
buttons off of
to
it.
replace this thing now.
Ricky Dooley
Ain't that even after
Oh.
tonight because Judas.
didn't put the titles on the line no matter what.
He wants to make me bleed my own blood, Corky.
Who else's blood are you gonna bleed? Chad Bartlett's bleeding too. All right now. Bronson Garrett just taking a pair of scissors here from the.
This has gotten
from the
kind of dark
broadcast
pretty
desk.
quick.
What's he gonna do? Cut his hair? I do
Oh,
not like.
big drop kick
I
right
do
out
not
of that
like
chair.
the looks of this.
Me either.
Bronson Garrett with that pair of scissors in there. He said he's gonna carve a pumpkin of his own.
Going right at
Jamming those scissor
scissors
blades
right into his
right
face.
into the forehead. Oh, and now he's got. Yeah, he just cut open Silas
Dooley with
Dooley.
those
Now
scissors.
we've got 3 men bleeding in there. This is Fright Night living up to it. This is
Yes.
a real
Buckets of
horror
blood.
show going on in here, folks.
This is
today
super violent.
at SOM Fright Night. And Ricky Dooley, he's bleeding as well. I don't know how Ricky Dooley got
Ricky
busted
Dooley
open.
got busted open.
Or is that just Chad Bartlett's blood on Ricky
No, I
Dooley?
think that Ricky Dooley got busted open.
I think that Silas got the worst of it with those scissors jammed into his face. And Chad Bartlett just took a turnbuckle to the face. And now,
Right into the
Chad
casket.
Bartlett just got slammed face first onto that casket here. And Bronson Garrett looking for a cover inside the ring.
He just hit Silas Dooley with a nice neck break.
Ricky Dooley with a Halloween decoration. He's looking to redecorate.
He's beating him with that scarecrow. Oh, Chad Bartlett got saved by.
He's got that tennis racket.
Whoa!
That's the same tennis racket Bronson Garrett tried to use on Joey Ryan a couple of months ago at the Spoiler Classic.
This has turned into a real, just very violent.
Well, of course it's violent, Spaceman. It's a street fight, and anything goes in a Chucky street fight.
Wow.
I don't know if anyone's
hand.
ever even worn a tuxedo
Oh.
in Chucky, Tennessee before. I don't know where Bronson Garrett and Chad Bartlett got that idea, and now clobbering away Chad Bartlett is on Ricky Dooley out there. Bronson Garrett out into the crowd here, grabbing a couple of metal folding chairs. Slide his partner out of the way. And wait a minute, Ricky Dooley. Oh, man! This is
Body slam
hardcore.
right into, off the top rope, body slam right into
Good
those chairs.
gosh almighty. Ricky Dooley tossing Bronson Garrett off that top rope into that big pile of chairs. Look at Dooley's they took off their neckties, and they've got Chad Bartlett. They've got him tied up in that rope.
Oh! Massive
That
chop.
whip shut him up.
from Silas Dooley.
Chad Bartlett begging for help, and they're stripping him down. This isn't a tuxedo match, but what is he wearing? Chad Bartlett.
Oh my God!
Oh, let's get that off with his piggy panties. Is that guy wearing this when he sits next to me every week? Chad Bartlett, you ought to be ashamed of yourself. But, hey, to each his own, I guess. This is 2019. Chad Bartlett can wear whatever kind of underwear he wants. And Chad Bartlett tied up, humiliated.
Oh, Silas Dooley has the belt.
Cousins.
He's about to strike.
Dooley spanking away on Bronson Garrett. And now, whipping Chad Bartlett. And another shot from that belt to Chad Bartlett from Ricky. And now, Silas Dooley, what's he gonna do? He's got Bronson Garrett set up.
Right on the chairs.
Slammed him right into the chairs, and that's gonna be it. Big count.
Here are your winners
And they're
of
stripping
the Chucky
Bronson
Street
Garrett
Fight,
naked.
Ricky and Silas Dooley.
I'm Hoot. And I'm Punky. And you're watching SOM Live.
That's all for today, folks. Thank you for joining us as we took a look back at 2019, and we sure hope you'll be with us moving forward into 2020. As I said at the top of the program, tomorrow night, Winter Warfare, the first show of 2020 for SOM, is going down at the SOM Arena, 2085 Chucky Highway. Folks, you don't want to miss Winter Warfare from SOM Live, and you don't want to miss another minute of the action. And we sure hope you'll be with us here next week for a brand new edition of SOM Live.